top 5 foods that are making you gain belly fat. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us belly fat. Have you ever wondered why, despite your best efforts, those stubborn inches around your waist just won't budge? It might surprise you to learn that some of the foods we consume daily could be the culprits behind this frustrating issue. In this session, we'll explore 5 common foods that contribute to belly fat, backed by scientific research and practical insights. By understanding and addressing these dietary pitfalls, you can take control of your health and work towards a leaner, healthier you. Let's get started. Understanding the impact of certain foods on belly fat is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, not only affects your appearance, but also poses significant health risks, including heart disease, diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. This introduction aims to highlight 5 common foods that contribute to the accumulation of belly fat. By being aware of these dietary culprits, you can make more informed choices and take steps toward achieving a healthier waistline. The foods we will discuss are sugary beverages, trans fats, alcohol, refined grains, and high-calorie junk foods. 1. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages, such as sodas, fruit juices, and sweetened teas, are among the top contributors to belly fat. These drinks are loaded with high amounts of added sugars, particularly fructose, which can lead to increased fat accumulation in the abdominal area. Unlike glucose, which is metabolized by many cells in the body, fructose is primarily metabolized by the liver. When consumed in large amounts, the liver converts fructose into fat, which is then stored in the abdominal region. Studies have shown a strong link between the consumption of sugary beverages and an increase in belly fat. For instance, research indicates that individuals who frequently consume sugary drinks have significantly more visceral fat than those who do not. Visceral fat is particularly harmful as it surrounds internal organs and is associated with a higher risk of chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Additionally, sugary beverages do not promote a feeling of fullness, leading to increased calorie intake overall. This lack of satiety can result in overeating, further contributing to weight gain and belly fat. To reduce belly fat, it is essential to limit the intake of sugary beverages and opt for healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or unsweetened drinks. 2. Trans fats. Trans fats, found in many processed foods, baked goods, and margarines, are notorious for their adverse health effects, including promoting belly fat. These artificial fats are created through the hydrogenation process, which turns liquid oils into solid fats, improving shelf life and texture. However, this process also makes trans fats exceptionally harmful to your health. One of the primary ways trans fats contribute to belly fat is by increasing inflammation and altering the way fat is stored in the body. Consuming trans fats can lead to fat accumulation in the abdominal area, even if overall body weight does not change significantly. Studies have shown that diets high in trans fats are associated with increased visceral fat, the type of fat that surrounds internal organs and poses significant health risks. Trans fats also negatively impact cholesterol levels by increasing low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, and decreasing high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, further contributing to heart disease. The inflammation caused by trans fats can disrupt normal metabolic processes, leading to insulin resistance and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, both of which are closely linked to the development of belly fat. To reduce belly fat and improve overall health, it is crucial to avoid foods containing trans fats. Reading nutrition labels carefully and opting for whole, unprocessed foods can help minimize trans fat intake and promote a healthier lifestyle. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol, particularly when consumed in excess, is a major contributor to belly fat, often referred to colloquially as a beer belly. Alcoholic beverages are high in calories and can significantly affect the body's metabolism, leading to fat accumulation around the midsection. When you drink alcohol, your liver prioritizes metabolizing the alcohol over other metabolic processes, including burning fat. This means that while your liver is busy processing alcohol, fat burning slows down, leading to increased fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. Additionally, alcohol can increase appetite and lead to poor dietary choices, further contributing to weight gain. Studies have shown a strong correlation between high alcohol intake and increased waist circumference. Regular consumption of large quantities of alcohol is associated with higher levels of visceral fat, which surrounds the internal organs and is linked to a higher risk of serious health issues such as heart disease, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. Alcohol can also disrupt sleep patterns and increase stress levels, both of which are factors that can contribute to weight gain and belly fat. To mitigate these effects, it is advisable to limit alcohol consumption to moderate levels, such as 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men, or consider abstaining altogether to promote better overall health and reduce belly fat. 4. Refined grains. Refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and pastries, are another significant contributor to belly fat. These grains have been processed to remove the bran and germ, which also strips away most of the fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The result is a product that is quickly digested and absorbed, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. When blood sugar levels rise quickly, the pancreas releases insulin to help cells absorb glucose. However, frequent consumption of refined grains can lead to chronically high insulin levels, which promote fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. Insulin is a key hormone in fat metabolism, and when it's persistently high, the body is more likely to store fat rather than burn it. Moreover, refined grains lack fiber, which is essential for maintaining a feeling of fullness and regulating blood sugar levels. Without fiber, people tend to overeat, leading to an increased calorie intake and weight gain. Studies have shown that diets high in refined grains are linked to greater amounts of belly fat compared to diets rich in whole grains. To reduce belly fat, it's crucial to replace refined grains with whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and oats. Whole grains digest more slowly, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and promote a feeling of fullness, ultimately aiding in weight management and reducing abdominal fat. 5. High-calorie junk foods. High-calorie junk foods, including chips, cookies, and fast food, are major culprits in the accumulation of belly fat. These foods are typically high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and refined carbohydrates, while offering little to no nutritional value. Consuming them regularly can lead to significant weight gain, particularly in the abdominal area. One of the primary issues with high-calorie junk foods is their high energy density. This means they provide a large number of calories in a small volume of food, making it easy to consume excess calories without feeling full. Additionally, the combination of sugar, fat, and salt in these foods is highly palatable and can trigger overeating, further contributing to calorie surplus and fat accumulation. Research has consistently shown a link between the consumption of junk food and increased belly fat. These foods can disrupt the body's natural hunger and satiety signals, leading to overeating and preference for unhealthy foods over nutritious options. The high levels of unhealthy fats, particularly trans fats and saturated fats, found in junk foods also contribute to increased visceral fat, which is associated with higher risks of metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. To reduce belly fat, it is essential to limit the intake of high calorie junk foods and replace them with nutrient dense alternatives like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Making healthier food choices can help control calorie intake, improve overall nutrition, and support a healthier body weight and abdominal profile. In conclusion, understanding the impact of certain foods on belly fat is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Sugary beverages, trans fats, alcohol, refined grains, and high calorie junk foods are major contributors to abdominal fat accumulation. By limiting or avoiding these foods and opting for healthier alternatives, you can reduce belly fat and improve overall health. A balanced diet, combined with regular physical activity, is essential for managing weight and preventing the health risks associated with excess visceral fat. Making informed dietary choices is a vital step towards achieving a healthier waistline and enhancing overall well being.